Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the system language on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. So first of all, you have to navigate to the settings, to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, and then scroll down to preferences with three lines icons, icon with circles on them, or just three toggles icon. I don't know how to call it properly. Now we're gonna have to navigate to the language section, which is third from the bottom of the list. Then open it, and now select the language, any language from this menu, and it will be applied as the system language on our TV. Just give your TV some time to process. Let's press home button to return to home button. The home menu will most probably refresh a couple of times before all the changes are applied. Okay, so right now let's try to do the same thing and get the English back. So gear icon, then this icon with three lines and circles on them, and then third one from the bottom of the list. Now select English, and so that's how we change our language. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.